Hi there, today we'll move an 814-pound gun safe from a house into a warehouse. Here is the path to the safe. Note that we will have to build 2 ramps and cross through marble flooring to reach the safe. This is the room and here is the safe. There is a step down that will make our work harder. We will need to set up a ramp supported by wood beams to be able to push the safe up to clear that step. After a big push, we managed to swing the safe through the hallway up to the living room. Now it's time to bring the safe up into the truck and head to the unloading place. At the destination, we unload the safe and wheel it inside of a Hunter warehouse. We will land the safe onto sliders, unwrap it, and install it. If you enjoyed our video, please share it, hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching and God bless America!